Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I am going to share with you how to crochet wings. So to make these wings I have used single crochet stitches and total 5 round to get this size. You can use these wings in number of ways. Here I have attached these wings to this heart to make this winged heart. Last year I have shared and how to crochet a heart. I will give you the link above if you want to make this heart. So you can make this heart and attach these wings to this. Before we start to make these wings, I would request you, if you are watching my channel first time, please subscribe to my channel so you get to know my more creation and ideas with crochet. So let's see how we are crochet this wings. So to make the wing I am going to use this white colored thread of this brand, and this is size number 10. So here I'm going to make 2 layers of this thread to give the thickness, and for this thread I'm going to use crochet hook of size 2.5 mm. You will need one needle and scissor. So here I made 2 layers of this thread. So first make a slip knot in your hook. Now make chain 10. After chain 10, skip first chain, and in next 8 chain stitches we are going to make one single crochet. So take your hook into the second chain and make 1 single crochet, then into the next 1 single crochet. So like this, in next 6 stitches make one single crochet. After 8 single crochet in your last stitch, here we are going to make 5 single crochet. So after 5 single crochets, now we are going to work on this side. So in next 6 stitches, so this is my first stitch, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 stitches. We are going to make one single crochet. So 6 single crochet stitches. So round 1 is done. Now in round 2 make chain 1, turn your work, skip this turning chain, and in next 7 stitches make one single crochet. So after 7 single crochet, in next 3 stitch we are going to make 2 single crochet, one more in same space. So 2 single crochet in 1 stitch like this. In next 2 stitch make 2 single crochet. Then in next 3 stitch make 1 single crochet. Then in next stitch make 2 single crochet. Then in next 5 stitches make 1 single crochet. So 5 single crochet and round number 2 is done. Now in round number 3 make chain 3. After chain 3 turn your work, skip first chain, and in next 8 stitches make 1 single crochet. So in next 2 stitch make 1 single crochet. Then in next 1, so 2 single crochet. Now in next 6 stitches make 1 single crochet. So total 8 single crochet stitches. Then in next stitch make 2 single crochet. After 2 single crochet in next 13 stitches make 1 single crochet. So 13 single crochets and round number 3 is done. Now in round number 4 make chain 1, turn your work, skip turning chain, and in next 5 stitches make 1 single crochet. So after 5 single crochet in next stitch make 2 single crochet. Then in next 10 stitches make 1 single crochet. So after 10 single crochets in next stitch make 2 single crochet. Then in next 6 stitches make 1 single crochet. So round number 4 is done. Now in round number 5 make chain 4, skip first chain, and in next 13 stitches make 1 single crochet. So 3 single crochet. Now in next 10 stitches make 1 single crochet, so total 13 single crochet stitches. So 13 single crochet stitches. Then in next stitch make 2 single crochet, 2. Then in next 5 stitch make 1 single crochet, so 5 single crochet. Now in next stitch make a slip stitch, pull this thread and cut with some margin. So our crochet wing is done. Now just follow the stitches same as like this from round number 1 to round number 5 and make one more wing same like this. So you will need 2 wings. So once you made 2 wings, if you are using these wings to make this winged heart, what you have to do, take the heart and at the back side where you can see this divided part, place these wings in between near to this center, like both the wings like this, and we are going to stitch them. So I will stitch them at the back. So this winged heart is ready for the gift. I hope you have learned from this video. If you have any questions or query, please do let me know in comment section. So see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.